Most AI app builders promise the world, but just dump broken code snippets in your lap. Here is an honest look at anything, an all in one AI app builder that actually delivers a complete functioning ecosystem from plain English prompts. It handles the front end, it spins up a live Postgres database, configures user auth, and embeds Stripe payments. It even autocorrects its own bugs on large code bases. So let's talk about pricing and what you actually get. You can start building and testing for free with up to 3K monthly credits per month. So if you want a real product, you'll need the Pro plan, which starts at $19 per month if billed annually. That unlocks 20K monthly credits, removes the anything branding, allows private projects, and lets you connect custom domains and submit directly to the App Store. For power users and startups, starting at $199 per month, this is the max tier. This employs the autonomous AI agents to test, debug, and manage complex heavy duty applications. So the honest catch that this is not magic. If your prompts are lazy and very vague, your app will look generic. And running advanced frontier models will burn through your monthly credits fast. It entirely eliminates the coding bottleneck, but you still have to think through your product's logic. So, if you want to skip the multi tool tech headache, you can check out the anything pricing plans and start building for free.